I'm Mark Peterson from Trimex Solutions. I want to share one of my favorite enhancements in SolidWorks 2015. After upgrading to SolidWorks 2015, you may have noticed that file version information has appeared in the Details pane of Windows Explorer. If I select a file here, I can see that this particular file is a SolidWorks 2013 file. I also have in this folder a 2014 file and a 2015 file. This is nice, but it'd be really great if I could have this as maybe a column view. So what I want to do is make sure that I set my view to Details, then I can right click and choose More. When I scroll down here, I'm looking for something called SW Last Saved With. Here it is. Just check the box and hit OK. When I do that, I'll now have the SolidWorks version information in a column to the right. However, if I create a new folder and drag and drop these files, let's say, into that new folder, and navigate to that folder, you'll see that that particular information is gone. The reason for that is because we haven't saved that view to the rest of the Windows Explorer interface. So what I'll want to do is go to Organize, File and Folder Options, then I'll select the View tab and choose Apply to Folders. By hitting Yes in this OK box, it will apply that same view in that current folder to all the folders.